Yes, you have.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagle session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. Okay, let me share it. Okay, you can see, yes, right? Okay, so let's go with the Dow, guys. The beauty of the Dow. Look at this. I don't know if you remember that the morning sessions I was telling you about this rejection. Like it made from this area respecting this higher lows. Okay, I told you about that. The weekly is still so bullish, and it's amazing going bullish. Look at this, guys. Put Look at those hits. Look at those hits. All this area from this liquidities. Look at this area. That's a great hit respecting those lows, like equal lows, and then it started to push. That candle was a big bullish candle. Okay, then that's a retracement. That's what I love. I always tell you about it. Those retracements. It pushed up. Okay, if it pushed like one way again, you can scalp it and leave runners, but not like for the swing trade. Okay, but this big push closed bullish, and then that's a retracement. Then this broke it again. That was an amazing. I told you about the sell and the buy. If it break this area, it's gonna be amazing too to take it to this trend again, and for sure you leave the runners. And breaking this high gonna continue the bullish. I was more bullish for it, but now let's see how it's gonna keep pushing. I'm not like for the buys. I will show you about today what happened here, where I told you don't go in, guys. That was super bad volume for the Dow. Super. Look at those liquidities. You see, it pushed, and then reject, and then it pushed, and then reject. After it, that's like a fast push. That's a scalp trade. I love to take those as a scalp and like leaving them. Okay, so that break again, this entry, this low, and this, yeah, that's a little reversal candle. But here, because I wasn't sure, if you look on the 1 hour, look at those bullish 1 hours. Like this volume is getting all of a sudden. That's the volume of sorry, of August. So August, like sudden push, and then look at those liquidities. Look at this candle, you know. So those sudden push, I was skeptic about this buy. Okay, but as a scalp, you can take it as fast execution. Okay, taking it, poof, hitting TP1 40 pip like dividends. You put stop loss entry, and then you keep like playing. You leave it. You leave it. That's TP2. That's TP3. It hit it. Okay, that's how you take it. But me, I didn't honestly take it this one because that was like a fast hit, and then I saw those rejections, bullish rejections. So I was skeptic about it. Okay, as for tomorrow, I'm gonna wait for the buys and the sells, the both, to see how the market now, it might consolidate like this area. You see, like uh, bullish push, retracement. Look at this, guys. That's growing. Bullish push, retracement, consolidation, bullish push, like consolidation over here, bullish push. So that's how. For now, I need this the same scenario. Sorry, I'm still sick and my coughing. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the buy to see like this scenario over this area, and then pushing up. I go for it. Okay, not like this directly. I go for it. Okay, as even the cells like. Wow, thank you, guys. So this is it for the Dow. Tomorrow we will see it in the live morning session, guys. Let's see what will happen. Okay, we go for the gold. The gold on daily, that's a great hit. That's a great reversal to see it like rejecting from this area. Look at this. That's a strong area, guys. Look, 1, 2. It's like this first one, and then like reverse, and then it hit it again. This candle, look at this liquidity candle. And then here it pushed like this to this area. Again, pushed up, this reversal candle, then pushing down. So let's see. It might like if the daily tomorrow had like a good volume to continue to push down, that's gonna be amazing. Like it opened, wake up. Let's see it. Let me show you the 4 hours. Look at this, guys. That's the 4 hours triple top. You can take sculpt. You can sculpt this on the board. You can sculpt this. Okay, so here if it goes down, I prefer like even if it goes down to wait, let it create like this. Look at the market, guys. Okay, so that's the first reversal. You didn't spot it. You didn't know it's reversal. Look at all this. We need more confirmation. Okay, look at this. It hit again. It formed like a lower high, and then like reversal candle. Look at this reversal candle. Then this break, and then it collapsed. Collapsed all this. Look. Okay, then over this area, it hit this area again. That was a fast. That was news. It pushed down. It retraced. Look at this retracement. Then pushing down again. You go for it. That's your target. Like you put even this target, but you start securing. And that's a lot. 569. Okay. Okay. Here, look at this. Here it hit this area. My mouse is like, okay, it hit this area. Okay, look at this consolidation. Here you take a scalp. You can scalp it as an intraday lower time frame, 1 hour. Okay, then it hit your stop loss entry. It's still consolidation. Consolidating now, pushed down. Okay, after this, I need the retracement, and then pushing down, I go with it again. Okay, if it break this, like it goes from this area, that's a great target even. Okay, so let's see for tomorrow. Even here we have like a reversal candle for the bullish, but nothing, still nothing accurate. Let's see it. Okay, so I will wait for it to see it's forming for me a lower high as a retracement, and then pushing down, I will take it. For the buys, I'm gonna wait for now. I will see here how it's gonna be reacting. Okay, so this is it for the gold. We go for GJ. GJ, there's no, that's a bad volume. Look at the 4 hours. Look at this consolidation. Okay, so for GJ, let's put this, look at this resistance over this. Okay, it's pushing like, let's go to the daily. Okay, put your Fibonacci, guys. That's what I look. That's how I manage. It hit now the 0.5. Okay, it is on the 0.5. So GJ might be forming a lower high to continue the push down, but we might see it like a good push, after all this huge push down. So we might see a retracement, and then again to continue the push down. Okay, so 1 second, just let me drink water.
I think the internet connection is cutting from Miguel's side.
هلا
Okay.
سامعيني guys?
Yes, now.
So we need a retracement surely before continue the push down on the weekly, I'm saying, because that's a huge push down. So let's see over here. We might look at this area, this lows. Okay, all my internet is cutting a lot. Okay, so we will see this lows, how it's gonna be pushing for it to go and take it as a sell over this area. It depends on the volume because August, I told you it's bad volume. So let's see how it's gonna be. If it goes pushed up more for the 61 Fibonacci, let me put it again. If it pushed to this area here and the 74, it's gonna be more strong, the sell. Okay, if it pushed and then reversed from those areas, that's gonna be like way more strong. So let's see. It depends on the volume. So let's see how it's gonna be reacting over here. Then to continue with it. You see those guys push down retracement again. That's what I follow. Okay, so that's it for GJ. We go for the euro. You see what happened with the euro? What we talked about last week. That I will see the reaction over here because we might retrace from this area. That was our support. Here there was like small, lower, super low volume, and then it hit it. And that's I think that's nothing. That's 100. Oh, okay. 2 days 100. That's the euro. uh, but that was like a great retracement on this trend. This trend, you see it. Three hits, then it pushed, it broke it, it retraced, and then pushed up. So even for now, for the daily time frame, I'm not going into any right now for the buys. For the sells, I'm gonna wait even to break this low to create again a new lower. You know, that's a high, lower, like it break the structure and formed a low, and then a high, a lower high. Okay, so that's how you follow the market. Just look at it, the same, all the same. Okay, so for the daily, and those are rejections, but I don't know the euro how it did for this because the Dow it do like for scalps, you can take it scalping it, but the euro is slow, so I don't trust those moves. For to take like a sell reversing from this area. Okay, so for the euro, that's what I'm gonna be looking a retracement. Again, if it forms a higher low, I will go again in the buy. Okay, I need a push down. Okay, like retracement and then push. Sorry, that is okay, like a push, a retracement, and then a push up. Okay, so this is it for the euro and this lows. I told you. Let's wait for it. We go again for Bitcoin. Bitcoin still. We might have like look at the weekly. Okay, 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Uh, so for now, for the Bitcoin, as the weekly, breaking this here, that might be great for a bullish to continue the bullish. Okay, to continue the bullish move. Let me remove this. Okay, breaking this here. Okay, might be forming like kind of a channel pushing and then to break for a bullish. here you take it and you start for sure securing from those areas because we're still inside, you can see. That's the trend, that's the first, the second, the third. Okay, so this, like we might take a sell if it hit over this area and it was great for it as a reversal. If not, if it break and then retest, let me put those. If it push to this area, okay, and then start to reverse, that's where we take the sell, okay? But if you saw it breaking and then going down, retesting like on those areas, okay, maybe here, you will see how it's gonna be like the break of it. And then pushing up, that's a great catch over here, okay? So for the buy, that's it over here to this area, and then we will see the second, the long tail, okay? For the sell, I'm gonna wait for the sell. There's nothing over here like on the weekly to go for it. On the daily, I prefer to break off this here. And even this area is like skeptic area of this. So we will see about it. Okay, over here, like it might be you can scalp if you do like it's a scalp, but I don't prefer this. Okay, I love long term. Okay, so let's see the reaction over here. If this was like kind of like pushing it, okay, then like breaking over this area, I will leave it a bit higher. Okay, breaking over this area, so it might continue. Take it. Okay, so this is it, guys. Lama, you do GU.
Yes. Okay, so for the GU, today we had high impact news on the GBP at 10 a.m. Dubai time. Okay, we had also news, but like it moved the volume. Yani the market moved a little bit, but it was not enough to take the trade. We had the CPI on the US dollar, mainly it stayed in the same place. I was expecting the buy breaking here this resistance line. On the 4 hours, we see here the sell breaking here this resistance, this support, sorry. Okay, يعني even here I was waiting for, يعني I took here, if you see this support, I took a scalp trade, a sell for a few pips, but I didn't send it because I was like not very comfortable with the volume. Okay, but يعني hopefully tomorrow, hopefully August will finish soon because to get back the volume. In the meantime, you can also, of course, like follow other pairs that are moving fast, like gold, the US 30, I think. The GBP, it was moving up and down. Now it's in the same place. Here, if you want, I can explain a little bit. After all this way down, we can use the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point, and we can see how much it retraced. So why we measure this retracement? To see after all this way down, how much it will go up. Because after like each down move, we have a retracement up and vice versa. Every time it goes up, it should retrace a little bit down. So the Fibonacci levels will help me understand once the price hit a level to see how much, like, let's say we expect the first level to reach 38.2. Keep, like, if it keeps, sorry, going up, it will reach 50%. If it keeps going up, it will reach 61.8%. Sometimes it reaches a level and start reversing, like here. So today candle was red. That's why my sell was from here. breaking, like the sell which is more safe for you, was breaking here the low, it can go down. Okay, the support, sorry. Also breaking here this level will give me a sign that it will go up more. You got my point? And reaching a level can be either a break to go up more or a reversal. How I can be sure? Here I will use the price action studies, which is where we say we wait for the wick up, then we take the sell, the wick down, then we take the buy. So this is price action confirmation. It's very important to follow price action, also to choose the right support and resistance, because the support and resistance will help me understand that it reached, for example, this level, the support, the resistance line, let's say, even here, this buy can be here. Okay, so reaching here, let's say this level, if it breaks it, it means that it is stronger than this resistance, then it will go up. For the support, if it hits the support, touch it, and then goes up again, it didn't break it. So the support was strong and it didn't go down below. So I cannot take the sell. It means that it hit, let's say, the support and reverse and continued up. So step by step, of course, for new people, new joiners will start understanding this. Okay, so for tomorrow, I will keep mainly the same buy and the same sell. Here, that's why, because on a higher time frame, I took the resistance line, mainly the high of the same candle or here. Okay, so I will keep the same buy and same sell for tomorrow. And we will see like how the market will be moving. Okay, so this is it for me for the GU. Now I will give the talk for our special guests, Lydia.
Hello, guys.
So Lydia will be sharing uh, her studies on silver, since she was like following up with silver and getting to know this pair. You can share, Lydia, if you want.
صراحة, that's an amazing surprise. Hello, that's great what you're doing, man.
Welcome to the team.
لا لا والله, she's working great صراحة. I love this. I love see people pushing.
Exactly. Lydia Trader, the silver queen of silver.
It's still under testing, guys, but I'll show you what I have been doing since Monday. So, okay, I'll start with the daily time frame. It's already, I spotted on the weekly already an Elliott wave. It's still under testing. Let's see if it will do it or not. But I'll show you the daily time frame. First, we have a bearish trend, if you can notice, this red line. And then it's like 1, 2, 3, it's hitting 3 times and then reversing from it. So I was looking for sells and I went down into the 4-hour time frame. Actually, yesterday I was expecting a head and shoulders, but like it's kind of doing it, but not that respecting the neckline. If you can see, it's like 1, 2, and 3, like it's inverted somehow. But I don't like the inverted one, so I just stick to the Elliott wave that I was saying. On the 4 hours, if you can see here, we have low, higher, low, higher, low. But first, you can spot like wave 1. I'll make it more clear for you. Okay, can you see it now? Okay, so we have wave 1, 0, 1. It hit it 2, 3, 4, and 5. And today it made the ABC. Actually, I took today like part of B and part of C. But I'll show you the Fibonacci. This is what I usually rely on. From 0 to 1, as you can see, like the reversal candle here for starting wave 2 up, it just reached 0.382 and then reversed all the way to make wave 3. And then I wanted to know where would wave 3 reach. So I did the 0, 1 with the Fibonacci retracement, and then all the way here. It reached more than 1.618, though it like reached here, consolidated a bit, and then moved up, and then made the wave 4. For wave 4, I took the extension from 2 to 3 until, sorry, excuse me, wait. This was 5. Okay, so for wave 4, we take the retracement from 0 to 3 to see where would wave 4 extend. Okay, so here it reached 0.382 and then it made a reversal candle and moved up for wave 5. So usually I work on Elliott waves to check the direction of the market. But I've spotted it, this Elliott wave I spotted lately. I saw that it reached 5. I'll show you how I can know wave 5. So I go for 2, 3, 4, and I just do this. And then wave 5 reached 0.786. And as you can see here, this is a very strong area. It had reached it many times. So mainly this is it. For wave A, I have seen this reversal candle, and I thought maybe it would reach a certain point and then reverse. Actually, I was checking it on a lower time frame, but then I stick to 4 hours as it is more confirmed. I'm not yet working on CCI and percentage R, by the way, still in the process of testing it more. So this was a reversal candle, and then it dropped down. And you can see here, like it consolidated a bit and then dropped until wave A here. And if we want to like measure this, it dropped like to 0.236 and then reversed all the way up. How I took those trades today was on a lower time frame. So as you can see here, this was at 6 a.m. morning. I'm not awake at this time, but usually I'm noticing silver like has good moves midnight or like early morning at my time. But I have seen this and I thought like if I wanted to see if it will respect the trend line, the bearish one, or if it will just move up. So as you can see, it went up exactly until this resistance zone and then it reversed all the way. So it just retested the trend line down and went all the way to the sell. I didn't notice this sell until earlier today, but I checked it on the 30 minutes as it, if you can see here, it first thing, it just, okay, I'll remove this one. If you can see here a reversal candle, I usually look for reversal candles to take like smaller stop losses. It just retested, it went here to the resistance line, it didn't break it, and it went down. Then this was the news candle. And then after that, it made it open, made a wick up and then went down. I didn't take this one. I waited a retest. If you can see the green candle here. Okay, it opened, made a wick up and closed bullish, but it closed bullish below the body of this red candle. So I expected it might be moving more down. And still, like it made the ABC. So this was my second confirmation. And whenever it broke the low of the previous green candle, I took the sell of it all the way until this support zone. And I wanted to show you as well something. I'll go for the 4-hour time frame. If you can see like this big move all the way down, what I did was take my Fibonacci from top until bottom. And I saw that this wave reached exactly 0.5 and it went all the way down, but it's still respecting this trend line. So I expected like it didn't even close above this 0.5. So I expect this was my other confirmation that I'm going for a sell. This was it for me. My maximum time frame that I go to is 30 minutes. because whenever I traded on 15 minutes, I ate a lot of stop losses. So this was it.
That's amazing, Lydia.
Lydia, thank you so much.
By the way, لحظة, Lydia, can you go a bit for the lower time frame?
Yeah, which time frame? One?
I think, let me see the last 30, go to the 30 minute. Yes, so this area كمان, if you know the I don't know, هلا انت you're following the silver, okay, so you know his push, but this area كمان, that's a great area to look at يلي هلا وصل لها, it might be
Yes,
reversing, عرفتي؟
true.
So كمان
Yes.
that's great, يعني انت you're catching great trades, so كمان that's amazing صراحة what you're working on.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
very good, Lydia. Thank you so much for sharing. We want all of you to be sharing.
بدي وينه ريان يلا ريان
Hey.
بدنا نمسح على السيرتي.
Okay, guys, so let me stop sharing.